a great choice today with the 2016 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, fog lights, security system, CD player, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.